Hi, let us see 10th example on Bode plots. Here g of s equal to s square by 1 plus 0.2s and 1 plus 0.02s has given. So this problem I will split in 4 problems. Here g of s I will write g1 of s, g2 of s, g3 of s, g4 of s. Here g1 of s is s, g2 of s is s, g3 of s equal to 1 by 1 plus 0.2s, g4 of s equal to 1 by 1 plus 0.02s, right? These are the 4 problems. If you multiply this all, you will get this only, right? So magnitude, if you take g of s, g1 of s magnitude, g2 of s magnitude, g3 of s magnitude of g4 of s. If you apply 20 log base 10 to both sides, 20 log g of s base 10 equal to 20 log, it is multiplication, right? Can I write in addition mode? 10 g1 of s plus 20 log g2 of s base 10 plus 20 log g3 of s base 10, 20 log g4 of s base 10. So if you find individual graph, then you can add all the terms, right? So in this, what is the corner frequency? 1 by tau, right? Here tau is 0.2, means 1 by 0.2, that is a 5. What about here? 1 by tau, 0.02, 50. So this is the corner frequency of this one, 50. For this corner frequency is 5. Less than 5, it is a 0 dB. And greater than 5, minus 20 dB per decade. And for this less than 50 is 0 dB. And greater than 50 is minus 20 dB per decade, right? So let this draw in semi-log graph. In this, here I will start from 1. This is 10. This is 100. And this is 1000. And this is 0.1. And this is omega completely. Now, this magnitude plot I will take here. In dB. So the here 0, 20 dB, 40 dB, means 10 I am writing, 30, 50, 60 dB. Here minus 10, minus 20 dB, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60, minus 70 dB. Okay. So we have a G1 of S is S, right? S means at 1, it is a numerator, 20 dB per, it needs to increase, right? So this is, so it will be here. So it is a, so here 60. This is G1 of S. And G2 of S also same line you have. So one more time I am drawing because it is on same line. G2 of S, same signal, right? And G3 of S, cutoff frequency what we have? 5, right? So in this it will increase one time, right? This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. In this decade it will increase every line 10 times. So it is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50. So now, so less than 5 we have a 0 dB, and here onward up to 10. Here you have a minus 20 dB per decade, and it is 500, right? Next, so this is 200, 300, 400 and 500. This is the point 500. It is a 40 dB. So this is the line, we got it, right? Next, this is a what? G3 of S. G4 of S is up to 50, cutoff frequency is 0. And 50 10 times means 500. So this is a 500. At 500, it is a 20 dB per decade. And next 5000, right? 10 times if you increase 5000. So it is going like this. So now this 4 G4 of S, now G1 of S, G2 of S, G3 of S, G4 of S. If you add all, you will get final magnitude plot of G of S. So that is, here this is 0, 2, we have 0, 0. Here 20 dB per decade, 20 dB per decade, total 40 dB per decade will come, right? So this will be, if you add, it will become a 40. And here up to here, this is no effect. So it will go up to here. So it is a 40 dB per decade. Now from here 20 dB is decreasing, right? Up to here. But 40 dB increasing, 40 minus 20, 20 dB, right? So up to here, this point, it will be 20 dB. This is 20 dB per decade. And here 40 dB is increasing, two line is 20 dB is decreasing, 20 dB is decreasing, right? So this is get cancelled out. So it will be constant line. So here 0 dB. So it will give high frequency, it will give constant line gain. For 1 to 50 Hz frequency, it will increase, and less than 1 frequency, it will attenuate the system. So here to here 20 dB per decade plus 20 dB, and here to here plus 40 dB, here 0 dB. Next, let us draw phase plot. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 0.1. So here it is 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is a 50 line, this is a 5 line, and this is 200, 300, 400, this is a 500 line. And here I am taking phase. Here we will take 45, 90, 180. This is 135 will take. And here minus 45, minus 90, minus 135, minus 180. So if you draw G1 of S, it is a 90 degrees, right? So this is a 90 degrees line, constant line, entire frequency. So this is G1 of S. In this same we have G2 of S also, right? So G2 of S, this is, and G2 of S. And G3 of S, here cutoff frequency you will be having minus 45 degrees, and high frequency 58, it will be going minus 90 degrees. It will stand constant, right? So this will be, this is G3 of S. And G4 of S, at 50 you will be having 45 degrees, and next it will be reached 90 degrees, right? So it will be 0. Simple. At same cutoff frequency you will take 45. Next 10 times you go with 90. Less than this is 0. That's it. Now draw the overview. See, this is 0. This is 0 means 90 plus 90, 180. Up to here 190 we have. And here 45 degrees you need to come down, right? So you need to come down up to here. Next here both means 90 degrees you need to come down, right? So here you will come down up to 90 degrees. Then here onwards again same, and this is 0. So this is what you got, phase plot. Just you need to add each decibel. Thank you.